Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on dark mode within ChatGPT. It's actually pretty easy, so let's not waste any time. So first you need to open the sidebar if you haven't already. Then you see your name and you need to tap on those three dots next to your name. Then tap on settings and you need to go to general. So as you see, theme is light currently. If you turn it on dark, it will turn ChatGPT into a dark theme. You can also set system, so whenever it's dark outside, ChatGPT will automatically turn into dark mode. I do prefer dark mode actually, so I'm just selecting that one. So as you can see now, ChatGPT is in the dark mode, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot and it helps the channel grow. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.